Welcome back to our 7-night Mexican Riviera cruise on the Norwegian Bliss. This is day 2 at sea, and we're spending the day exploring the ship from the kids' splash pad and the pool deck on deck 16 to mini golf, the Speedway, great food, and an amazing show. Let's enjoy a full sea day on board. We ended up waking up late, so after grabbing breakfast, we took our toddler to the splash pad to enjoy some playtime. For lunch, we stopped by the local bar and grill, one of the ship's complimentary spots, and tried their barbecue burgers, fries, crispy fish sandwich, and a hot fudge sundae. Everything tasted great and hit the spot. After lunch, we made our way up to deck 17 to check out the mini golf course and the Speedway. Mini golf is complimentary, while the Speedway costs $15 per cart. For dinner, we had a reservation at Savor, one of the complimentary main dining rooms, and enjoyed a delicious 3-course meal. After dinner, we made our way to the Bliss Theater and watched the Icon Show, a fantastic performance featuring beautifully sung hits from music icons such as Celine Dion, Bruno Mars, Barbra Streisand, and many more. On our way back to our cabin, we noticed an arcade and bowling alley right next to the theater. We didn't even know it was there. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next episode of our 7-night Mexican Riviera cruise on the Norwegian Bliss.